dear student, today we will discuss about the earthing of a conductor. So first thing, what is the meaning of earthing? Earthing means if we are connecting a conductor with the earth, then it is called your earthing. So main point here, what will happen to the earth? Earth is taken as a spherical. See, as earth is having a spherical shape and its radius is approximately 6400 kilometer. So what we can say, with respect to any other object on the earth, the size of the earth is very, very large. So being a very large size and a spherical shape, so as we know, potential of any spherical body on its surface is given as V is proportional to 1 by R. As the radius of earth is too large, so this potential is very, very small with respect to any other body. So what can be said, since being a very large size of the earth, whatever amount of charge we are giving to this earth or we are taking from the earth, its potential is almost negligible change as compared to other body, and being a very small value of potential, its potential is taken as 0. So we can write like this: being a very large size of earth, as compared to other object in the earth, its potential does not change significantly, either giving some electron to the earth, or removing some electron from the earth, from earth. So we can say the potential of earth here almost constant. So potential of earth surface is almost constant, and this constant value is 0. And since potential on the earth surface is given as V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. For example, let charge equal to charge of 1 electron is given to earth. 1 electron is given to earth, then its potential V is 9 10 to the power 9 into 1.6 10 to the power minus 19, and which is R is 6400 into 10 to the power 3. So if we are solving, it will come in the range of around 10 to the power minus 14 volt, which is too small, So V is almost 0 volt. V is almost 0 volt. So we can say if we are removing or giving 1 electron to the earth, or maybe 2 electron, maybe 100 electron, maybe million electron, then also its potential changes very small, and that small change is negligible. So what is the main conclusion from here? The earthing of a conductor means when we are connecting a conductor to the earth, it means we are making its potential 0. So main point is that a conductor, if it is your earth, or if we are if we are talking about earth, so earth potential always remains 0, and it will not change with either giving certain charge or removing certain charge. So finally we can say potential of earth always remains 0, either we are removing some electron, or we are supplying some electron. So this is the property of, you can say, earth. So earth potential always remains 0, either we are giving some electron to the earth or we are taking some electron from the earth. Now if a conductor has been earth, so earthing of a conductor, or if a conductor has been earth, means we have connected a conductor with the earth. So let this is your any conductor, and now if it is connected to the, let this is your earth. So what will happen here? Since being a very large size of earth, we are not representing earth each and every time. So we are using a simple symbol. Let this is our conductor, and if we are connecting to earth means just this is the symbol we are using. So this is called means earthing. Earthing means a connection of this conductor with the earth. So this is the symbol we are using for a earthing. So now if a conductor has been earth, so main point is that not only earth, if two conductors are connected to each other with a conducting wire, so charge flow between these two conductors, it depends on the potential of those two conductors. So it has been observed that when any of the conductor are connected to any other conductor, so positive charge flow from higher potential conductor to lower potential conductor because of the electric field. Let for example, this had potential 100 volt and this potential 0 volt. So 100 volt means positive potential, means it has much more amount of positive charge. Then what will happen if we are talking about the electric field value or direction? And since here charge is let Q1 and here charge is for example let Q2. Now since Q1 will be more than Q2 because of the potential of this is more, so the electric field will be there from higher charge value to lower charge value, maybe in this direction. Then what will happen here? Due to the effect of electric field, some electrons start coming in this direction, or we can say positive charge is moving from higher potential to lower potential, and this flow of charge will continue when both surfaces are not reaching at a same potential. So this is the phenomena will happen when two conductors are connected to with a conducting wire. So see here in what will happen in case of earth. So first point we can write, when two conductors are connected with a conducting wire so charge between the conductors will flow. Charge between the conductors will flow till both conductors are not reaching at same potential. Till both the conductors are not reaching at same potential. So when potential of both the conductors, when potential of both the conductors become equal, then flow of charge stop. Then flow of charge stop. That stage is called as electrical equilibrium. That stage called electrical equilibrium. That stage is called electrical equilibrium. This is the first point. Second point we can write positive charge. Positive charge flow from higher potential terminal or higher potential body to lower potential body, but in fact positive charge never flow. Electrons are flowing from lower potential terminal to higher potential terminal. This is the second point. Third point, when both the bodies reaches at same potential, then charge on individual body may or may not be same depending on the distribution of charge in the space. Depending on the distribution of charge on space. And fourth point, on earthing, since potential of earth will not change, it will remain zero. it will remain 0. So finally, potential of earth body has to be has to be 0, but charge on body may or may not be 0. This is the main point here. So finally we can say earthing of a conductor means we are connecting a conductor with the earth. So since earth being a very high, very large size, its potential will not change, it will remain 0. So the body which has been earth, that potential has to be 0, and in this process some charge may flow from earth to body or from body to earth to make the potential of that body 0. So in that process charge on a body may or may not be 0. So see 2-3 situations, from that we can get a idea. In the first 2 cases we will consider, in which in one of the case potential 0, so their charge will also 0, but in another case we will see there is a potential 0 but charge is not 0. See, let this is your spherical conductor having radius r and charge q. This is your spherical conductor having radius r, charge q. So right now the potential of this is given as 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r. Now after earthing means I am connecting this with the earth. This is your earth potential is 0 volt. So this potential has to be 0. This potential 0. So in this process earlier potential was your this much, that is your non-zero value. Now its potential 0. To make this potential 0, some charge may go from conductor to earth or it come from earth to conductor. Let charge become your q dash because of the flow of charge between the earth and conductor. When charge become q dash, so now the new potential v dash, which should be 0 because of the earthing, so it is equal to your 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q dash by r. So from here we got q dash is 0. So finally there is no charge on the conductor. So we can say no charge on the conductor, no charge. So that gives us in this particular case, all charge has gone from conductor to earth, particularly positive charge never flow. So what will happen here? Electron has flown from earth to the conductor and these electrons are neutralizing whatever the positive charge is there. That's why here charge become your 0. So in this process we saw okay, after earthing charge on the conductor becomes 0 because earlier charge was q but now the charge is 0. But see another example in which we will find okay, we have made the conductor earth but the charge on conductor is not 0. See another example. See another example here. Let this is a conductor and it has charge q, and here a point charge q has been kept at a distance d from the center of the conductor. This conductor now is not earth right now. So how much the potential of this conductor? See, potential of this conductor means potential due to all charge present in the space. So one charge is this q another charge is your capital Q. So net potential is potential due to this charge 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R plus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by D. This is the potential on its surface. So whatever potential on the surface, same potential everywhere inside. So what I did, I found the potential at the center. The potential at the center due to this charge by using principle of superposition due to this charge will be given as Q by R, and due to this charge distance is D, it is given like this. Now we made this conductor earth. Now we are making this conductor your earth. That charge will remain at the same position Q. Now earlier, since both of the charge are positive charge, so we can say potential was your positive. Now to make this potential 0 because of the earthing, some charge may flow between the conductor to earth. So whatever charge earlier it was there Q, that will not remain same. How much it will flow, that we can calculate later on. So first, because of the flow of charge, the charge on this will not remain constant, and let new charge comes, or new charge become your Q dash. So right now after earthing, potential is 0, V dash is equal to 0. Now calculate the net potential of this Q dash by R plus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught capital Q by D, and which is equal to 0. And after making it 0, we will get Q dash is equal to your minus D by R into Q. It means earlier charge was your Q, now the charge is your negative charge came. It means earlier charge was positive, now the negative charge came. So how much the charge came? The flow of charge. Flow of charge means delta Q, final charge, Q final minus Q initial. Final charge is this much, minus D by R into Q, and minus Q. Q was the initial charge. So this much of charge has come from earth, which means this much of electron has come from earth to this conductor to make the potential of the surface is 0. So in this problem or in this situation, we found okay, although potential was 0, but charge on the surface is not 0. So this is the conclusion. Earthing doesn't mean charge on the surface is 0. Earthing means only the potential of the surface is 0. Now see few example and few problem based on your earthing of a conductor as well as Gauss law.